Hey everyone, it's time for another plan with me. Today we will be doing my PP Weeks B6 format with my shop's kit, the 60's Psychedelic. This was really fun to make and I'm really excited for it to come to the shop. It will be released in March, so stay tuned for that. But for now, let's get into planning this. So I'm going to try something a little different in this video in regards to my audio voiceover. Normally I would talk about what I'm doing and how I'm doing it, and that's going to be part of my videos most of the time, but I wanted to actually talk about the Print Pression planner because I think it's really important to know all the types of planners or planning that you can do to be more effective with your life. So I started as a bullet journaler about, I don't know, 5 years ago, maybe even longer. I would say maybe 2014, 2013. So it has been a little longer than 5 years, even though now that I'm thinking about it, it's like 7 or 8 years away from now. Time does fly. But basically, what I was trying to say was I bullet journaled all the time and I never knew anything about stickers. But I discovered the Happy Planner and, of course, got on that bandwagon. But then I realized as time went on that although the Happy Planner is customizable and it is my catch-all planner that I use and the product that I use most of, I was kind of missing this whole bullet journal feel. Then I discovered this Print Pression. They have skinnier ones too, but I liked the B6, which is this size. The Print Pression has a good mix of space where you could do bullet journaling. They're not bullets, it's just a grid, but you could use it as a bullet journal. So when I got this planner, not this specific one, but my first one, it was less than a year ago. I got it specifically for my Etsy shop, and for some reason I really like how compact it is. Normally I'm a big writer, so that's why I like the Happy Planner, because I use the big Happy Planner. But for this, for some reason it was cute, but I was able to be very functional with it. And as you can see in the spread, I have my Monday through Saturday up top with some space for to-dos, but on the bottom, which I'm doing right now, I usually leave a big space open like that so I can write tasks that I need to do for the whole week or do a brain dump, or, the options are so endless because it is a blank slate. So if you like to bullet journal and you want to try something a little bit different, I definitely recommend the Print Pression, and they do have skinnier versions, so if you need something for on the go, that would be another great option. But if you do use the Happy Planner, for example, the widths of the boxes are the same as the classic Happy Planner. So you can still use the Happy Planner stickers, and there are a lot of shops on Etsy and other avenues that do sell stickers that fit this. So with this planner, my options for stickers expanded drastically because I was using a big Happy Planner. The stickers that I was buying weren't the right size. And that's another reason why I wanted to try this out. And when I try something new, I might not like it. And I think that's the same for a lot of people when trying something new. There is that fear of, well, I just spent this money. What if I don't end up liking it? So that was kind of my fear. But then after I used it for a little bit, I realized, yeah, I like this. I don't need to write as much in here as my Big Happy Planner. So it does work for me. All right, so we're getting to the end of the spread, and it looks like all of my stickers except those ones were all done. So I hope you like it. I really like the colors and how vibrant it is. So here's a close-up of it. If you have anything that you would like to see in the shop or a video about, or if you have any comments, if you like this specific spread, leave a comment below. I'm really curious to see what you say. And yeah, well, just have a great day, everyone, and thank you for watching.